Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama Janice. Love you.
Happy birthday, Dite! I love you. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health and more birthdays to come. I love you very much.
Ingat po kayo palagi ni Kuya. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Dite!
Happy birthday, anak. Oh.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa celebration mo this year. Sorry, wala ako sa tabi mo. Pero sana mag-enjoy ka pa din. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. And I always wish for your good health. Yes, congratulations kasi nag-graduate ka na. Yun lang, sana mag-enjoy ka. I miss you, I love you.
Hello po tita, happy birthday po. Sana... Basta, happy birthday po. Pakinggan ko alam. Hindi po ako ready kasi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
K-pop Makalan, I love you. Ingat mo palagi.
Hello, Brother Alan. Happy birthday. Masaya ako na nakikita ko pa rin na nag-a-attend ka pa rin dyan sa church natin. And magpatuloy ka pa, no, at magpalalim sa Diyos. I pray na iingatan ka dyan ng Lord palagi kahit saan ka pupunta. At makakamit mo yung mga pangarap mo at yung mga prayer mo. And thank you, Lord, na sa panibagong taon na ipinagkaloob niya sa'yo. Mag-ipon ka na. Huwag mo kakalimutan kumain araw-araw. And mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, bro. God bless you!
Hi, tita ko. Happy birthday. Imingat ka palagi. I hope you're doing well. And ito ko na nga muna yung kakaalak. Enjoy your day. I love you. Marina na ako.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.